What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 best XRP wallets. Let's say for example if you purchase XRP from Coinbase or from any other centralized exchanges and you don't want to hold your coins on exchange and you just want to hold keys to your wallet and your tokens on your device such as desktop, mobile or any other ones, I'll show you best wallets for that. But before I do that, I just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. And also, if you are looking for centralized exchange that does not require KYC for leverage trade or just to trade meme coins and for spot trading, BitUnix is a great option, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. So the first wallet, it's called Exodus. So Exodus wallet holds many different coins besides XRP and offer different options. So if we go take a look at here at the product, you can get a Web3 wallet, mobile wallet, desktop wallet, and also you can connect hardware wallets as well. And if we scroll down, this is what the wallet's gonna look like. Mobile version is gonna be slightly different. You can swap, exchange, and do many other things. And it holds a lot of tokens. And of course, one of them that we're talking here is XRP. Also, it will keep track of your portfolio. It's gonna create nice portfolio overview. Then the second wallet is called Xamen or Xamen. And this wallet, it's a leading self-custody wallet and it's only available for mobile device, so you can download for Android or for any Apple product. And then if you scroll down, as you can see, has self-custody, multiple accounts, tokens, and vibrant economy. So what you can do with this wallet, you can connect to different dApps that they offer. You can hold many different tokens on XRP or every token that XRPL holds, and you can do few other things, interact with dApps and much more with this wallet. But this wallet is only available for mobile device, so this is the downside. But I think for mobile device this is probably one of the better ones out there. I've used this one many times, and I think one of the best wallets, or at least the one that I prefer the most right now, it's called Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet is available for mobile device or desktop extension, and with that you can have same wallet on mobile or on your desktop, and it supports many different tokens, many different chains. And here's the best part, like for example right here, if you are looking for a specific token, and in this case we're talking about XRP, you can just search for it over here, XRP, and it's gonna tell you what you're gonna be able to do with this wallet and with a specific token, buy and sell. At this time doesn't have any swaps, earning, or dApps available, but I'm sure later on, once people's gonna start building on XRPL, there's gonna be many more dApps available. It's very simple wallet to use, and if you scroll down, this is what it kind of look like. Stay private and secure, and they constantly adding many other features. So let's take a look at this wallet. I actually have it installed in my browser. So if we open up right here, this is what you're going to be able to see. And right here, as you can see, XRP is already added. If you're going to install this wallet and you're not going to see XRP, what you can do, just go to manage crypto, and in here there's going to be an option and you just have to toggle the switch. Like for example, we can also add Cardano and a couple other ones, and they're gonna appear over here. Or if you're looking for any specific tokens, you can just search over here like XRP or any other ones. And then if we go back, you can earn right here different options. Most likely it's like a staking options. Then your history, transaction history, I have nothing because this is a brand new wallet. And then settings, you can change network, developer settings, connected dApp, block dApps, view secret phrase to recover your phrase, and much more. And this is pretty much it. And also one more thing what you can do, like let's say for example XRP, and we would like to buy. So what you can do, you can just press on buy, and this is gonna present you with the different options that you can buy XRP. Let's say USD 150, you can use a credit card, and you can check what option you would like to use to actually purchase right here, Ramp or MoonPay or any other ones that is gonna offer you at this time. Just choose here, and then you just have to process and continue, and that's how you can buy actually using your credit card through Trust Wallet and bypassing any centralized exchanges. Every wallet that I show you in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. Thanks for watching.